Now that you've upgraded to Perfect Mind 3, the first place that you should check is in Reports. There will be a folder called Applications, and inside will be a report called Upgrade Results. If this report has any records, it will be most likely due to the students that had membership information that had conflicting data. This was touched on in the pre-upgrade video. So any records that had information such as a limited expiry date, but it was also an ongoing membership, or a membership that had an expiry date, but it also had a number of remaining sessions that was a positive or negative number. This does not allow Perfect Mind to know exactly what type of membership it is. So the student will actually not have a membership on their page now, and it will fill this report with records. If you had sold a membership that did not have a duration specified, meaning it was supposed to have an expiry date, but you did not have the duration field filled in when you sold the membership, then it will automatically have expired that membership on the day it was sold, and it will populate this report also. More than anything, this report is going to give you records that simply require your attention. And if you look at the report, you'll see it groups by the type of contact and then by the reason for it being populated in this report. So I recommend starting with your active students and taking a look at everyone that is listed here. And if you click on each record and see what the specs are for what the expiry date is supposed to be in this case, then if you click on the student name, it will navigate you to the record and see if they have a membership. If they don't, you may need to come back to the report here, and there's an option to create a free membership. And if you click this button, it will create a free membership on the student's page and link it to a transaction with a value of $0. If you need to do this for multiple records, you can click the back button, and you are able to multi-select and then click Create Free Membership. Now, again, I recommend that before you do that, you simply take a look at the results in the report first, check each record, check each student, and see what the action is that you're supposed to take. Now, another question you may have after the upgrade is that some of the objects have become outdated. One of the objects that has become outdated is the ranks object. Now, this was replaced with an object called promotion. Because Perfect Mind 3 supports multi-style per student, there were a few things that had to change. And so now ranks is actually an object called promotion that has its own separate section on the contact page layout, because there can be multiple ranks now per student, and each rank will be linked to its relevant program with its own details. So things like the enrollment date in this particular program, last attended date, classes since last promotion, stripes, etc. If you had any views that included rank name or other details about rank, I'll show you how you can add that back in. So if you were to edit any view and then scroll down, if you need to add a column for rank or any rank details, when you click Add Column and scroll to the bottom of the fields here listed on the contact page layout, you're going to see all the related objects that have the arrows beside them. And the new object, of course, is promotion. If I click on this, I will see all the relevant fields. And rank name is simply called rank. And then I can click Save. Now, if you have any students that have more than one rank, it will produce multiple records because it does need to reflect the different ranks per student. You'll see that Andrew Smith here has a white belt, a blue belt, and a black belt because he's in 3 different programs or 3 different styles. That is a result of this change. There is a video to accompany this that is a complete overview of Perfect Mind 3, its features, and its benefits. We strongly recommend that in addition to any of the initial questions you may have for our support teams, that you also visit our Help Center, which is located here in the upper right corner. The Help Center is very extensive. It's well organized with a table of contents here on the left, and the Help Center is complete with videos, instructions, and screenshots. You can drill down on any topic and see the list of related subtopics. The Help Center is completely searchable. You can type in any keyword and it will return any matching results. This is an excellent resource. In addition to this, when you visit ChampionsWay.com and click support, you're going to find that you can access live training. And we offer live open Q&A training online 3 times a day, Monday through Friday, at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. To access the training class, all you need is audio, and then you can access it by clicking on this link here. Additional support channels include calling our toll-free number, emailing our support team at support@championsway.com, and you can also access our agents live through live chat. We hope that you found these videos to be helpful, and we hope that you enjoy using Perfect Mind 3.